Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shobdik and you're watching soupart. So it has been a target for long now that I wanted to sketch Rashmika Mandanna. I think I was a fan of her when I saw this Telugu movie Geeta Govindam. I do not understand the language Telugu, but both the actors, they were phenomenal. Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandanna. So that's when I thought that she is definitely a pretty face but an awesome actor. So I thought of sketching her someday, but somehow, as we all say, that the chance never came up. But this was today that I felt like let's draw her, because then I can tick her off from the checklist that I have kind of. So for the drawing, what I wanted to do is have this notion out from my head that I have to do realism, because recently while trying to do digital art, I realized that it's not realism what is the only important thing actually, because realism is a part of drawing, it's not everything of drawing. So what I wanted to do here is draw the sketch as far as my potential is concerned. I wanted to give it the most. So I would love to know your thoughts about how you think I have fared in this drawing. Other than that, I wanted to again highlight that it's about simple drawing too. So even simple drawings with few strokes can even look amazing. The final outcome to me was pretty satisfying, because this was a new style that I wanted to draw the whole sketch, the whole portrait with. Generally, I use a lot of blenders, kind of highlights and everything, but this time I wanted to keep it a bit sketchy, not too messy, but definitely a bit sketchy. And the pencil that I have used is very cheap. This is a soft charcoal pencil from Camlin that you get here in India in a very cheap rate. So it's accessible and affordable to everyone. So if you want to sketch different kinds of portraits, then I have a lot in my playlists here. You can just go into the playlist and check out the portrait sketches. There I have got realism, I've got simple sketches, ones with fine liners and multiple style. But this one here, as I said, I try to keep it simple. I definitely had a top-down approach that I mostly try to do, but this time I did not put that much of importance to it, because the risk of having smudges was completely taken out of the whole scenario, because I was not doing any kind of blending. So when you do not do blending, you have this thought outside of your mind that, come on, you don't need to keep it real exactly like what the photograph looks like. So that helped me. Hence, I would like you guys to also try this kind of a style, because what it does is it imparts everyone this idea that you can draw for sure. So once you're able to draw these kinds of portraits, it's easy to emulate them on realism. For even paintings, if you want to draw watercolor, you definitely have to do, at least I'm talking about portraits, so definitely you have to do a base sketch. Once you do the base sketch, then only you can go for the watercolors, that is the colors. So these things, they are very subtle, but still they're very important. And that is why I kept this time, it's pretty simple. The smile was what I wanted to concentrate on. So the expression, the way the eyes look on a particular direction, the way the lips would look if some person is smiling, these things were the main concern here in this drawing. I would love to know what you think about this portrait, so please comment down below if you have liked it, and if you have not liked it, or you like different kinds of portraits or some other kind of drawings, then I would love to know that from you guys. So please comment below, and if you have not subscribed yet, then I would still again request you that you can consider subscribing, because if you are a fan of drawing videos, then I bring drawing videos every week, multiple drawing videos every week, and that is a habit now. And if you have interest in different kinds of drawing, then this is the channel that you should be subscribing to, because I try to bring different kinds of drawing, be it traditional, be it digital nowadays, and even simple, messy, different topics, portraits, animal portraits, everything that is under the sun. And if in fact once I was also requested to draw Rashmika Mandanna, and I have sketched it today. So I do take a lot of requests. So if you guys want me to draw something in the next video, some celebrity, someone like a sports person, or a TV star, or a movie star, or someone in my YouTube space, I would love to know your thoughts about that. If you want to request, I would keep that in mind, and for sure that drawing of yours, of your choice, will surely come in. Hence, this is what I have to offer for this drawing, and this is what I came up with. I was, as I said, quite satisfied with the final result. I did not want it to exactly look like the photograph, but what it came up, it was nice to me. Hence, again, I would repeat myself that you guys should try this kind of a drawing, because what it will do is help you to increase the confidence that you have got inside yourself. Like, multiple people around, we think that we're not able to draw. No, I cannot draw like that. But actually we can. If you have got the patience, the perseverance, then definitely you can do it. So please try this at home, and if you have tried it, then please tag me on Instagram. My Instagram ID and the Facebook page link is all in the description section below. You can check it out. And if you have not followed me there, you guys can follow me there. And if you try this drawing, then please tag me. Don't forget to tag me. And in fact, you can DM me. We can have chats about drawing, about art, about the way you can kind of motivate yourself while drawing. Everything and anything drawing related, we can have a chat, definitely. So this is that for the drawing. Until the next video, I'll keep you with this drawing. Please watch it till the end, and as I said, do not forget to comment. Keep sharing all my videos to your friends and family, and till the next video, see you soon. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.